Hi guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel Reiki Zen. This is going to be part 3 of a series of videos that I'm working on and that I've cunningly entitled Back to Basics. So this video today is going to be about cleansing our own aura, our own energy field that is around our body. So the last video I did was about using sage to cleanse the space within your home, around your home, your sacred space, whatever you want to use, because you've used your lemons to detect any negative energy that may be in that room that just needs to be, maybe the vibration of the room just needs to be lifted a little bit. So we use the sage to cleanse that away and raise the vibration of the room and invite new, positive, loving, higher vibrational energy within the room, which helps to bring it to a nice even balance. And the room now, after that session that I did yesterday, feels really, really good, feels really light, feels airy, feels gentle. I mean, there was no negative energy in here anyway, but even just using the sage itself, it does have an effect, and it does help to just raise that vibration. And so when we're working with energy and working on our vibration, yes, we've done the rooms and we've done our home, but we also need to be aware of ourselves as well, because we are the energetic being that is carrying a lot of the energy around with us, and we are interacting with other people day in, day out, and we are picking up on energies that we are totally most people will be totally unconscious of the fact that they are carrying this energy that they may have attached from somebody else because of somebody else's negative outlook on life, or their cynical attitude, or maybe they've insulted that person and they've taken it away, so they're now carrying that burden of pain, of grief, of worry, or whatever it may be, and it's there, it's within you. So we need to be able to be aware of this and work with this energy and remove it whenever we feel the need to. And there's many different things that we can use to work with our own energy field and our own aura, and these are all aspects that I will be touching on within these series of videos. However, for this one, this is going to be about using Palo Santo. So Palo Santo is another fantastic shamanic tool that has been used for many years by different indigenous cultures and tribes and civilizations, and the same as the sage, it's another great shamanic tool. I tend to normally use these. I haven't got any left at the minute, but these are called Sacred Cleansing Negative Energy Incense Sticks, and these are from Mark Bierski's website, who is another healer, and he uses a mixture of Palo Santo with frankincense, myrrh, and it's all sort of like mushed up and made into these little square sticks, and they burn really, really well because of the oils that's within them. And that's why I prefer using them. However, I do have a piece of actual Palo Santo, or holy wood, whatever you want to call it. The only trouble with these is they don't burn, they don't get the smoke for very long, so you have to keep lighting them to get the smoke off to work around your aura. But for today's practice, for today's purposes, I will give you an example of how I would use Palo Santo around myself and around my aura. I've got the microphone plugged in. On the last video that I did, it sounded as though there may be some issues with the microphone, so if it gets a bit glitchy when I watch it back, then I may have to invest in a new microphone, but we'll see how it goes. So Palo Santo, again, taking care, because we're going to light it, and you need to light it for quite some time before it actually gets going. So the difference between these and the other energy sticks is, as soon as you've lit them, they're pretty much straight away, whereas these we need to just keep lit for a little bit, blow it out, and then you start getting the smoke. And what we're going to do is just going to work around the throat and let the smoke rise around the head, go around to the back of the neck, back of the head, around the crown, third eye, around the ears. And as we can see, it's already starting to go out and the smoke is subsiding away. So this is why I prefer using the sticks from Mark Bierski. So if you're able to, if you feel drawn to, then do go to his website. He's got some fantastic stuff on there, yeah, the incense, the negative energy cleansing sticks are really, really good. I have to light this again to get it going again. So again, just take care and use caution with these, because obviously it is a light. Just blow it out, and again just work it down your body, and allowing this smoke just to go around your body, down, up and down your arms, over your hands, the palm of your hands. Palm of your hands is a very important area, because this is where you do all your healing work from. So you've got your palm chakras. Also, you're always interacting with people with your hands. You're touching them, you're holding them, hugging them, shaking hands. These are all places where you can collect energy within your own energy, and just keep working around your aura, both sides of the arm, up and down the body, around the back, up and down your legs. I mean, you've probably seen me do these many times on other videos, but I'm just doing this just to give you a quick example of how I do it, how I work with it to cleanse my energy, to cleanse my aura. And the Palo Santo really does help it raises your vibration, it removes anything that you don't need in your aura. And you're just thinking, well, why don't you just use sage? Well, you could use sage, but I wouldn't use sage every time, because sage is something I would just use for extreme circumstances. I would mainly use sage for rooms, because you get a lot more smoke off the sage. You can use it around your aura, but like I say, it's like a jet wash, and it will just remove everything. Palo Santo is a lot more gentle. You can actually feel that when you're working with the energy of Palo Santo. You can feel that it's a much gentler, lighter energy, and it's just working with your energy, and it's just removing anything that you don't need. And you can actually, when it does connect with your aura and your energy field, you can actually feel it. You feel a tingling around your body, and it's just helping to raise your vibration, raise your energy, and remove anything. And you do feel better for it. And if you do this every day, like I've done for many years, it does help. It does make a big difference. So sage, I would use, you could maybe do once a month around your own aura around yourself, but the Palo Santo I would use daily. Same with the negative energy cleansing sticks that I normally use them daily, but with them you can actually break them off. You can just use a small piece, because they are quite expensive. I think Mark sells them as three on his website, 3 packs on his website. I think it's 20 something pounds, so they do last quite a long time. I mean, that's my 3rd box that I've used, and I've probably had them a good few months now, so they have lasted me a good while. And I only break a small piece off and just use it whenever I need to. But I also use it with Reiki clients as well, so not just on me, it's also on for energy healing sessions as well. But yeah, that's what I use, and you'll probably find a lot of people have different techniques and use different things as well. However, I'm just giving you the back to basics of where you can start, what you can do to begin with, and then start finding your own feet, finding your own way, finding your own little techniques of what you feel works for you. Because the more you start working in this field of energy and cleansing and working on your vibration and working on your energy, then things start gearing up for yourself, and you will start tuning in deeper to your intuition. You will start listening to your higher self more. You will start listening to your soul more, and your intuition, as we call it, your inner teaching, will start stepping up, and it will start giving you ideas, and it will give you new thoughts and new suggestions of that, and you'll think, oh, I might give that a go, I might try that. And that's where the inner guru, the person that you are, will start to shine, and you will start to find your own way with that. So that's today's video on part 3 of the Back to Basics of using Palo Santo to help around your aura, to help your energy field. Until the next video, I hope you enjoyed this one, but much love to you all. Bye for now, take care of yourselves, namaste.